Hello, I am Sharon Sanders Cruz. I'm the Vice President for Administrative and Student Services. First, let me start by saying welcome to Lawson State Community College. The Office of Administrative and Student Services includes the Business Affairs Office, Financial Aid, Student Services, Student Life, which is the resident life, Athletics, Admissions and Records, Facilities, and Safety and Security. These offices are designed to provide you with quality service throughout the campus while you're here and enrolled at Lawson State. We are here to assist you in enrolling, managing, and financing your education. In short, Administrative and Student Services are here to assist and support you as a student. You are about to enter and embark on a new experience, the Freshman Academy. The Freshman Academy is part of Lawson's Quality Enhancement Plan, referred to as the QEP. Throughout this course, you will be encouraged to work in teams and produce meaningful projects that will equip, empower, and engage you to become highly effective students at Lawson State. Let me encourage you to give your all to not only this course, but within all of your studies here at Lawson State. Administrative and Student Services want you to be successful, so if there's anything that we can do to better assist you, just let me know. Again, welcome to Lawson State and have a wonderful semester.